Meaning of foretold.
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 Foretold. The word foretold means to predict or announce a future event. When something has been foretold, it typically implies that the event has been accurately predicted or prophesied beforehand. To foretell is to make a prediction about the future, often based on some sort of intuition or divination. A foretelling could be seen as either an ominous warning or an exciting promise, depending on the nature of the prediction and one's perspective. Overall, a foretelling is an announcement of an event that is yet to come.